Zhejiang Weiying Intelligent Technology Company Ltd. Is located and developing in the metropolis of Chinese socks, Zhuji City, Zhejiang Province, China. The company was built on year 2011 and now has workers more than 60 with 2 production areas. It occupies an area over 10,000 square meters and is one of the biggest sock machine manufacturers with convenient traffic. It takes about 5 minutes from the company to entrance of highway, about 60 minutes to Hangzhou Airport by car, and about 90 minutes to Shanghai or Ningbo by train. Our company is combining the technology developing, production, sales, and service together, and specialized in manufacture different kinds of sock knitting machines. The yearly capacity can reach to 10,000 sets. The main products are fully computerized 2-feeder visible sock knitting machine, big diameter sock knitting machine, selective terrace sock knitting machine, sock shoes knitting machine, 6F plain sock knitting machine, and so on. The machines are not only hot sale in domestic market, but also export to Russia, Egypt, Turkey, Vietnam, India, and so on, and get high reputation from our customers due to the good quality. The company strictly executes the ISO 9001 quality management system. Each workshop has a QC team. During the machine production, from material, semi-finished products to finished products, the production is strictly controlled according quality standards. Our products always implement industry standards, and the quality has reached the international advanced level. For several consecutive years developing, the product has passed the inspection by the Authoritative Quality Inspection Center, and the product qualification rate is 100%. Our company pays great attention to product after-sales service. We have established a perfect after-sales service points in domestic and abroad. We strictly implement 3 guarantees. In the spirit of sincere cooperation and hand in hand, our company is constantly moving towards the goal of creating first-class enterprise, first-class product, first-class management, and first-class brand. Our company is willing to create a future with you. Welcome new and old customers to visit and guide.